Style Gentle and Clean is $5.49. It's currently on sale for buy one get one free. This is an all-month deal, just to give you guys a heads up. But you want to buy 2 of them, you'll end up paying $8.23. Now you might have insert coupons. I don't get them, so I don't have them. But you might have the insert coupons, but without them, you will pay $8.23, but then you can submit $2.50 rebates with Ibotta, and you'll get $2 cash rewards when you buy 2 of them. So your final total comes to $3.23 or $1.61. The Irish Spring and the soft soap is on sale for $3.99. Now there's 2 different coupons. There is a $2 off one digital or a $1 off one. So if you use the $2 off digital, it's just going to scan itself. You end up just getting these for $1.99, which is not the greatest deal for this brand, but if you guys need it, go for it. We have the Oral-B 4-pack for $4.99. Now I did scan the app for this coupon, and I did not have any coupon that popped up for this. So if you were going to do this deal and you have a digital, you'll end up using 2 papers and 1 digital, paying $8.97, but then you do get a $5 register reward when you buy 2 of them, making them $3.97 or $1.32 a piece. But we're going to do a different deal. We're going to do one of the Oral-B's for $4.99, and we're going to do 2 of the Burt's Bees for $4.99. We're going to use a 5 off a 2 coupon from the P&G, and then we're also going to use a $2 off coupon. You'll end up paying $7.97, but you'll also get that $5 register reward, making all 3 items just $2.97 or 99 cents each. The Colgate is on sale for $3.99. It is an all-month deal, so it depends on when you guys want to come in the store to do it. But you're going to buy 2 of them at $3.99. We do have a 4 off a 2 digital coupon that you guys want to use. You'll end up paying $3.98, but you will get a $4 Walgreens cash rewards, making this free or like a 2-cent moneymaker. Now there's 2 different deals we can do this. We're gonna get, you can mix and match however you want, but we have a toothpaste for $3, and then we have the 2-pack toothbrushes for $2. I think the coupon has to be for a 2-pack. I am not 100% sure. But we're gonna use a $3 off or $2 off insert coupon from the P&G. And then we're also going to do a $3 off a 2 digital. You end up paying $4, but then you get a $5 cash rewards, making it a $1 moneymaker. Or what you guys can do is you can use 2 coupons for the toothpaste and 1 toothbrush, or 2 toothbrushes. You can mix and match. You end up paying $3, but then you get that $5 cash rewards, where it comes out to be a $2 moneymaker. So it just depends on what works out for you. The Edge shaving cream is on sale for $2.99. We do have a $1 off digital coupon that you guys want to use. You end up paying $1.99, but you can actually submit your receipt to Ibotta for a $1 rebate, making one of these bottles just 99 cents. The All and the Snuggle is on sale for $2.99. We do have some insert coupons, plus we have the we have the $1 off digital, so you guys can get these for $1.99. We got the Poise on sale for $5.99. This is an all-month deal. There is a $3 off digital coupon that you can use. Otherwise, we do have some inserts. And then there is a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. And this is the one for the booklet. So your final price for this is just 99 cents, and you guys can submit your receipt for Fetch Rewards to get bonus points also. The complete home bags are actually on sale for $2.79. They're buy one, get 2 free. So you would actually pay $2.79 for all 3 of them. Comes out to be just 93 cents each. The Kellogg cereal is actually on sale for $1.88. We do have, I think we have a digital, but otherwise we do have some insert coupons for $1 off 2. So you guys will buy 2 of them, use the $1 off of 2. Your final price just comes out to be $2.76 or $1.38. Everybody, good morning. Yes, I forgot to do an intro, but that is okay. I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. It is a slow week, number one, because it's the holiday pretty much. That's why we didn't have hardly any ads. I only bought like 2 coupons because yeah, so if you guys see me looking around, I'm actually at Perkins right now. I'm waiting for my mother to drive through town and we're gonna have some breakfast together. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. So I have a little haul, but that is totally fine because it ended up becoming a moneymaker for me, you guys. So the first deal I ended up getting was the Poise deal. The Poise is on sale for $5.99. There is a $3 off digital coupon or insert or digital or printable. Plus there is a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys will just get this for 99 cents. And then I submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards and I got 50 points, which I think is 50 cents. 50 cents. So ended up getting that if you guys want to go ahead and do that. I got the Dial body wash. Now these were $5.49. They were buy one, get one 50% off. You guys might have coupons for it. I didn't. Some of you guys don't, but I did it with the deal without having the coupons. So you buy 2 of them without the coupons, you'll end up paying $8.23. But you guys will get $1.50 back and $1.50 back with Ibotta. And you guys get $2 cash rewards, making these just $3.23 or $1.61 each if you guys want to go ahead and do that deal. So I ended up doing the toothpaste and the toothbrush deal. These were all $4.99. I used a $2 off insert coupon for this one, and then I used a 5 off of 2 coupon for the Burt's Bees, all from the P&G. You guys would buy both of these, you'd pay $7.97. But you do get a $5 register reward for buying 3 of them. Ends up becoming just $2.97 or 99 cents each. Usually we say don't pay for toothpaste, but you know, I think Burt's Bees might be, you know, a little bit more. Here's a great freebie of the week. It is the Colgate toothpaste, you guys. These are on sale for $3.99. There is a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys want to use. You'll end up paying just $3.98 for 2 of them, but you do get $4 cash rewards. So this ends up becoming free or just a 2-cent moneymaker. So it's up to you if you want to go ahead and get that. I also got some Werther's Originals, you guys. I found out about these at the end of the season last year, and I ended up getting a bunch of them, and I absolutely love these candies if you ever need some. But these are the caramel apple, and they taste so good. So these are on sale this week for $1.49. You'd pay $1.49 for it, but then there is a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, making this just $1, so, or 99 cents technically, if you guys want to go ahead and do that. So yeah. The next deal I did was the, not Schick, well technically it's Schick, but it is the Edge. These are on sale for $2.99. There is a $1 off digital coupon that you guys want to use. You'd pay $1.99 for this, but there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 99 cents. 99 cents. So that's a great deal. And then I ended up doing the toothbrush and toothpaste deal. So I ended up getting 1 toothpaste. These were all $3. So I used a $2 off coupon for this one, and then I had a 5 off of 2 coupon for these that I used. If you use the 2 paper coupons, it ends up becoming a $2 moneymaker, but I just did it this way because a lot of you guys depend on the digitals. So $3, a $2 off coupon, and a 5 off of 2 digital. You would end up paying, why did I not write this down? I wrote it down, but I didn't. Anyways, you guys would end up paying just $4, but this, and then you get a $5 cash rewards, making this a $1 moneymaker. If you use 2 papers and 1 paper, it ends up becoming a $2 moneymaker after the $5 cash rewards is factored in. But you guys know what? That is my haul. It's a small haul, but that is my haul. My total came to $22.05 for everything. I ended up getting $16.21 points for everything. I ended up getting $4.50 for Ibotta. I got 50 cents for Fetch Rewards, and then I also received that $5 register reward. So my grand total came to be a $4.16 moneymaker. I got everything for free, you guys. I am super excited for that. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all next week. See you later. Bye-bye.